Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to catch all your favorite games at the same time on Sunday Ticket? Here's how you can watch multiple games with ease. First of all, open the Sunday Ticket app on your YouTube TV, smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. After that, navigate to the Multiview feature. This lets you watch up to 4 games on one screen at the same time. Choose the games you want to watch. Simply select them from the list, and they will appear on your screen in different sections. Customize your layout. You can make one game larger or have all games displayed evenly. It's totally up to you. And that's it. With Sunday Tickets Multiview feature, you will never miss a moment of the action. And thanks for watching.